Let's start building your cool display booth piece by piece. Start with unscrewing the bolt from the connector. Then insert the connecting piece into the middle of the edge of the ceiling banner stand. Secure it tightly using the bolts. Dismantle the feet of the ceiling stand on both sides. After successfully inserting the connecting pieces in the middle, proceed to add the connecting pieces to the top and bottom of the ceiling banner stand. Secure them tightly with the bolts. Remember to add the light connector to test the LED light. Once the top ceiling banner stand is ready, insert the connector pieces to the top of the vertical banner stand. Connect all parts using connector pieces and bolts.
There's a question that I'll never ask. No one to help me when I'm feeling bad. Hesitation. Oh.
Please note that at least 3 persons are needed when installing this modular display booth.
I'm stuck in the mood.
Please ensure to follow these instructions carefully for a successful installation. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to ask for help. Now you have transformed individual components into a stunning visual masterpiece.
You say that I'm dying to forget, I bit the bullet for you. I wrote a song too many pennies, so I hope you hear me know that I've been thinking about you. Oh, thinking about you. When it's dark out on the wagon, yeah, listen to the beating of your heart sound. When it's dark out on the wagon, yeah, listen to the beating of your heart sound. There's a question that I'll never ask. No one to help me when I'm feeling bad. Hesitation.